YASDA is a Japanese company making high-precision machining center, focusing on quality, not quantity. Our relationship with System 3R has been long-standing, almost 30 years. Originally, YASDA and 3R shared the same customer base and often collaborated to help improving customers' efficiency. System 3R provides very precise tooling and flexible automation, such as T3600 at EMO. They work closely with customers and take a hands-on approach. The key for future automation is software. Their software, Workshop Manager 5, is designed to support that customers can connect many processes to create a fully automated workflow. YASDA concentrates more on high-precision machine and focuses on improving customers' machining process. System 3R develops integrated system and especially their software Workshop Manager allow us to have stable connection with EDM, CMM, and washing station. We believe customer doesn't need only just automated process, but also entire cell, which is controlled and user-friendly management software. This is a point System 3R can give us and the customers great benefit. VR50 is newly developed vertical 5-axis machine. This machine can handle diameter 650 by height 500 mm workpiece. For this machine, the latest robot from System 3R is perfectly fit and we can offer suitable automation solution to customers. We believe relationship of System 3R and YASDA will be stronger than ever and develop in a positive direction. In future, automation with precision becomes one of the most important elements for the customer. We both are already working together on it and believe this is correct direction. It is not just connection of robot and machine. It's connection of concept. To achieve this, we will make the partnership and trust more strongly. Since 2000, we have been working more closely, especially in automation and high-precision tooling. This cooperation allowed us to provide higher-end solutions together. Successful examples include the integration of matrix in the PX30i and our work on the new VR50. With System 3R, we see strong potential to grow together and deliver future-oriented solutions for our customers.